Aelia's wonder. Aelia's wonder, Aelia's wonder, Aelia's wonder, Aelia's wonder. Princess Aelia sits on her bed, Poco curls beside her. Rain falls outside the window, I can't go play. Poco, why is it raining? She asks. Poco smiles. Warm water from lakes and rivers rises as vapor. It forms clouds when drops get too heavy. They fall as rain. Oh, oh. Rain is just heavy water falling down. Aelia says. Poco nods. Yes, Aelia, that's why rain falls. Raindrops get too heavy. They fall as rain. Oh, rain is just heavy water falling down. Aelia says.